Hi, welcome home. Welcome back to the Resiner's Poorhouse. Happy to see you here today. Today is special. We have a kind of a combination of things going here. I have a relationship with OneDaySaving.com, who are just an amazing group of people on a really diverse crafting website, and I got these little house molds which are just adorable, and I'm not entirely sure yet what I have planned for them. I just I decided to do these in combination with Gert Creates, her name is Kel over there, and June at Sweet Ray of Sunshine. They're doing a collaboration for resin artists, Sudha, and Sudha is just an absolute delight, and they're doing a little thank you collaboration because she is just very sweet and supports all the resin artists on YouTube. Check out her channel. She's got a fabulous channel. And if you are new here, I would love a subscribe. So if you aren't, please go ahead and hit that like button for me. But what I think we're gonna do is, because Sudha makes me feel like home, that's why I chose to do these house ones for her in honor of her, with the little hearts. And I think so I have these really pretty dried flowers and this other kind of flower confetti, and I have these other flowers. The orange ones would be cool. These fruit ones would be cool too if they were, I don't know if you can see them all. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And the purple ones, I don't know. There's just so many of them to choose from. But what I have done, I've already made up some resin here, and maybe it'll be nice to do 2 in the dried flowers and the middle one in the blue. Or, sorry, I should have been more prepared. It's just I have so many options. You know what? I have a couple other options here. Let me, because it's also fall, I think I have these paper ones too. I have these ones. So let's just go from there. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, so which one do we want to do first? I've been itching to do this blue one for a while now, so guess we'll open this guy up. This is confetti that I got off of Temu, and I don't know how it's gonna float, which you know, I don't know if I need it to float in resin, but I'll go ahead and put a little drop of clear Elmer's glue in there. It's a trick of the trade to try to get confetti or glue to suspend itself. And here I am putting a ton of bubbles in here just to see if it will do that, and I think that it will. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is a 1-to-1 resin. I really like it. It's Fui Tim. And that's almost perfect. Like almost famous, almost perfect. Yeah, so if next time you are looking for craft projects, check out onedaysaving.com. They actually have some really great resin molds and things for all sorts of different crafts. So definitely check them out. And you know, now that I think about it, if you want to display these all year round, these probably aren't the way to go. So now I have more inclusion somewhere. Just gonna put a bunch of these beautiful flowers in here. And the biggest problem I might have with these guys is they might just float and not sink to the bottom. Alrighty, so I'm going to put some clear in here. Boop. Ba-doop, ba-doop, boop, boop. Some clear. You know what? I have these really cool leaves that I want to try too. That's a good idea. I have too many things. I have these real flowers here, and I have these real flowers. I think the green will, green's really pretty. The green, these are like a plastic leaf. I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop them in there, I think. Oh, I see a hair. Yikes. Yikes. So that came from me, not One Day Saving. So Sudha is a wonderful lady that lives in India, and she's just got an imagination and a creativity that is so beautiful and so inspiring. So these leaves sink, leaves sink. Oops, I kind of want them spread out a little bit more. They are unfortunately one-sided. I didn't notice that. So they might not look that great. Let's keep going. Oh, you know what? I have those other leaves that would look. You know what? Let me see. I have this stuff. Aha. I think that'll look really pretty to go in with it. This is some landscapers moss. It's or flowers. A ground cover anyway. It's for hobbyists. They do model railroads and stuff. And I do want this to sink. And I don't want it to get mixed in with the other stuff. Let's see if we can pop some of it down there. Well, that's never see this. I mean, this is rare for resin, right? Almost looks like confetti. Almost looks like confetti. I don't think it's sinking to the bottom. And I don't have a lot of high hopes that it's going to head that direction. But we'll just mix it up and see. Let's put some more in. I don't know if you can see the leaves now, the green leaves that much. Now that this is in there, but it does seem like if I have more in there, then the more of a chance to see it on the all the way through. Making a mess here. Making a mess. So let's take a second to thank Gert and June for putting on this collaboration. It's wonderful when we can give back to people in our community. And I've done collaborations with them in the past that have been wonderful. They're just great people to work with. Gert is just super funny and positive, and June is very smart and did a lot of work on the past collaboration that I did with her. So I know that they have both worked very hard on this one, and I'm sure One Day Saving will be happy to be associated. So I'm feeling okay with this. So let's just wait for the demold. Okay, see you soon. Hello, welcome back. Okay, so these have unfortunately been sitting for quite a while. Maybe 2 days. So let's go ahead and try to demold them and see. You know what, I'm going to leave that one for last. you know, it's okay to take a while to unmold, or demold is the right term, demold your pieces. But if you have over pour, it is generally hard, so you can't get that out. So we have 4 little windows. They look entrapped, and oh, they're coming out. They're coming out. Nice. Heart's coming out. That was great. That's kind of cute. And the heart, there's a piece of, there you go, a piece of heart or a flower left behind. I don't know if I'm gonna cut that out or keep it, but that's, so the glue really did its job. Definitely did its job. Okay, now little one. And this feels very, very sharp, but it probably is because I left it for so long. Oh, and little windows. That's kind of fun, actually, to do. That's very pretty. That's very pretty. They actually floated to the wrong side. I don't remember if I put glue in that one or not. Okay. Now this one. This one is going to be a little cockamamie. Yeah. I'm trying to get this was very cured. Boy, I almost feel like I should have put some mold release in there. Come on, pop the seal. Whew. Whew. Okay, 1 day savings. Your molds are awesome. Okay, so this is kind of weird. So our leaves fell to the front, and some of the landscaping stuff, moss or whatever, went into the center. Most of it stayed behind. I don't mind. It kind of looks like falling leaves. I kind of wish more leaves would be down there, but it's interesting. I like it. So, Miss Sudha, I hope you enjoy that. You definitely make me feel like home, coming home to all of your videos and into the comment sections. You were just the sweetest, most delightful thing. So thank you very much. And remember, everybody, to stay sticky, and you always have a home here.